For generations, car ownership came with a straightforward ritual. Every few thousand miles, you lifted the hood, swapped out the old oil, twisted on a new filter, and hit the road, having just pocketed $50 and dodged another hour in a dealership waiting room with stale coffee and cable news droning in the background. That tradition is fading, and not by chance. The automotive industry has made a calculated move. On one side, manufacturers are constructing lucrative service ecosystems, engineering vehicles not merely to sell, but to bind you to dealer-managed maintenance networks for the life of the car. On the other, a dwindling number of brands still produce machines that real owners can actually get their hands on. Consider the numbers. Luxury automakers are reporting record profits while dealerships routinely bill $300, $500, even $800 for work that once took 45 minutes in your own driveway. Today's vehicles are increasingly built around proprietary fluids, software dependencies, and diagnostic systems the average owner has no access to. Here's what no one at the dealership will volunteer. Many of these cars technically permit a DIY oil change. In practice, you'll hit digital restrictions, murky warranty language, and onboard maintenance systems that quietly require a dealer's touch to finalize. By the time you've pieced that together, your weekend is gone. And you're scheduling the appointment anyway. That's why savvy buyers are asking a fundamentally different question. Not which car is the quickest, but which car they can genuinely call their own. Stay with us through the end, because the last brand on this list didn't simply make DIY maintenance inconvenient. They essentially wrote the playbook for locking owners out of their own vehicles. Before diving into this list, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, because most automotive content celebrates horsepower and ignores the hidden costs waiting after the purchase. Number 1. BMW. BMW once built machines that practically invited curiosity. Older generations rewarded those willing to get their hands dirty. Open the hood, and everything made sense. Fast forward to today, and the experience has transformed into something far more controlled. Modern BMW vehicles rely heavily on condition-based service systems. These are not simple timers counting mileage. They are algorithms tracking driving patterns, oil degradation, engine temperature cycles, and more. The car decides when service is needed, not the owner. Performing an oil change at home is still possible. The drain plug exists, the filter can be replaced. But resetting the system is where things get complicated. Accessing the service reset often requires navigating deep into the iDrive system or using specialized diagnostic tools. In many cases, dealership-level software is required to fully clear service indicators and update maintenance records. The oil itself is another barrier. BMW enforces strict proprietary oil specifications that go beyond typical viscosity ratings. Using anything outside those requirements risks triggering warnings or even warranty complications. The result is a subtle but effective lockout. The job can be done physically, but without completing the digital side, the car constantly reminds the driver that something is unfinished. Over time, most owners give in and return to the dealership, where the process is completed seamlessly, at a cost that reflects the convenience. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz built its legacy on durability and engineering excellence. Older models were known for lasting decades with proper care. Today, the brand represents something very different. It is no longer just about luxury driving. It is about luxury maintenance. Modern Mercedes vehicles operate under a system known as Assist Plus. This digital service manager tracks maintenance intervals and integrates them deeply into the vehicle's electronics. Oil changes are no longer isolated tasks. They are part of a larger ecosystem that monitors and records every service action. Resetting service intervals is not always straightforward. It often requires specific procedures or diagnostic tools that are not commonly available outside dealership environments. Even when independent mechanics perform the work, the process may not fully integrate with the vehicle's system. The cost reflects this complexity. What was once a simple maintenance job now routinely climbs into premium pricing territory. The engineering has not just improved performance, it has redefined ownership costs. Owning a Mercedes today means stepping into a system where maintenance is tightly managed, carefully tracked, and consistently routed back to authorized service centers. Number 3. Porsche. Porsche stands as a symbol of engineering excellence. Every component feels deliberate, refined, and purpose-built. That same precision, however, extends into maintenance in a way that limits flexibility. Oil changes on modern Porsche models are not simple drain-and-fill procedures. Many engines use advanced lubrication systems with tight tolerances. The oil itself must meet very specific standards, and even minor deviations can affect performance or trigger system alerts. The real barrier appears in the digital layer. Porsche uses proprietary diagnostic systems to manage service intervals and maintenance logs. Without access to these tools, resetting the system becomes difficult or incomplete. There is also a financial incentive at play. Porsche vehicles hold strong resale value, and service history plays a major role in that value. A complete, dealership-verified record can significantly impact what a vehicle is worth in the future. This creates a powerful push toward official service channels. Even when the work is done correctly at home, the lack of digital documentation can cost money later. Number 4. Land Rover. Land Rover has evolved from rugged utility vehicles into highly complex luxury machines. The transformation brought advanced technology, but it also introduced layers of complexity that make independent maintenance increasingly difficult. Modern Land Rover engines are tightly packaged, leaving little room for easy access. Components are arranged in ways that prioritize design and performance over serviceability. What used to be a straightforward process now requires careful navigation through cramped spaces. Beyond the physical challenges, the electronic systems add another layer of difficulty. Service tracking, diagnostics, and system resets are deeply integrated into the vehicle's architecture. Accessing these systems often requires specialized tools and knowledge that go beyond typical DIY capabilities. The result is a vehicle that feels almost dependent on dealership infrastructure. Without the right equipment and expertise, even basic maintenance becomes a complicated task. Land Rover does not explicitly prevent oil changes at home. Instead, it creates an environment where doing so feels impractical. The complexity itself becomes the lockout. Number 5. Volvo. Volvo once built cars that felt like loyal companions. Boxy, dependable, and refreshingly simple, they were machines that welcomed owners into the garage with open arms. A basic toolkit and a bit of patience were often enough to handle routine maintenance. That philosophy has been rewritten. Modern Volvo vehicles are increasingly shaped by software-first engineering. The mechanical simplicity that once defined the brand has been replaced by interconnected systems that track, log, and regulate nearly every aspect of maintenance. Oil changes still exist in combustion models, but completing the process properly now involves more than just replacing fluid. At the center of this shift is Volvo's proprietary diagnostic ecosystem. Resetting service intervals and updating maintenance logs often requires access to specialized software platforms that are not freely available. Independent mechanics and DIY owners frequently encounter paywalls or subscription-based tools just to complete what used to be the final step of a basic service. The vehicle itself becomes a kind of digital gatekeeper. Without proper system updates, warning messages linger, service records remain incomplete, and the ownership experience feels unfinished. Number 6. Audi. Audi approaches control with a quieter elegance. There are no obvious barriers, no dramatic warnings that stop a DIY oil change in its tracks. Instead, the restriction lives inside the specifications themselves. Modern Audi engines operate under extremely strict oil standards, developed within the Volkswagen Group. These specifications go far beyond basic viscosity ratings. They dictate exact chemical compositions, additive packages, and performance characteristics that must be met for the oil to be considered acceptable. Using oil that does not carry the correct certification can trigger a chain reaction of issues. Warning lights may appear. Service indicators may flag irregularities. In some cases, warranty claims can become complicated if the wrong oil is documented in the vehicle's history. This creates a subtle but powerful form of control. The owner is technically free to perform the oil change, but the range of acceptable materials is tightly restricted. The margin for error shrinks dramatically and the risk of getting it wrong increases. Over time, many owners choose the safer route. Dealership service ensures that the correct oil is used, the system is updated properly, and the maintenance record remains clean. Number 7. Mini. Mini built its identity on simplicity and charm. Compact dimensions, playful design, and an accessible ownership experience made it a favorite among drivers looking for something different without the burden of high maintenance costs. That identity shifted dramatically under modern engineering influences. Today's Mini models operate on the same condition-based service architecture found in larger luxury vehicles. Maintenance intervals are calculated by onboard systems that monitor usage patterns and environmental factors. The car decides when service is due, and resetting that system is not always straightforward. DIY oil changes quickly run into familiar obstacles. Accessing the service reset may require specific procedures or diagnostic tools that are not commonly available. Without completing that step correctly, the vehicle continues to display service warnings, creating a constant reminder that something is unresolved. The surprise factor makes this even more impactful. Many buyers enter Mini ownership expecting a simple, affordable experience. What they encounter instead is a maintenance ecosystem that mirrors much more expensive brands. The size of the car suggests convenience, but the system behind it tells a different story. Number 8. Tesla. Tesla approached the problem from an entirely different angle. Instead of complicating oil changes, the company removed them completely. Electric vehicles do not require engine oil, eliminating one of the most common maintenance tasks in traditional cars. At first glance, this looks like freedom. No oil changes means no service intervals to worry about, no filters to replace, and no messy garage work. It feels like a clean break from the past, a leap into a simpler future. But the simplicity comes with a trade-off. Tesla vehicles operate within a tightly controlled software ecosystem. Components are often paired digitally to the vehicle, meaning replacements require authorization to function properly. Access to diagnostic tools, repair documentation, and system resets is limited compared to traditional vehicles. Independent repair shops frequently encounter barriers when attempting to service Tesla vehicles. Without the proper software access, even straightforward repairs can become complicated. Parts may not function correctly unless they are recognized and approved by the system. Unlike traditional manufacturers, Tesla does not rely on a widespread dealership network. Service is handled directly, giving the company full control over pricing, procedures, and access. The automotive world is no longer just about engines, horsepower, or design. The auto space at present is about control. Quiet, calculated control that extends far beyond the moment a car leaves the showroom. On one side are vehicles that still allow a degree of independence, machines that can be maintained with tools and knowledge. On the other side are systems designed to guide every maintenance decision back to controlled environments, where software, specifications, and service records shape the ownership experience. The brands in this list are not failing. Many are thriving, building impressive vehicles that push the boundaries of technology and performance. But alongside that, progress comes a shift in what it means to truly own a car. If this breakdown helped uncover what most dealerships never explain, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. The next video might save thousands in hidden ownership costs and reveal which cars still belong to the people who buy them.